So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various companies like Oracle, IBM and other important hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity, that is from the Oracle. They are hiring for the role of SD1 and job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka, Hyderabad and Telangana. So freshers means they clearly mention that 0 to 2 years of experience means freshers are eligible for this wonderful opportunity, and the responsibility will be you will be responsible to debug the codes and design the software applications and operating systems and all those stuff. Okay, so just go through complete job link in the description, and I will suggest apply with the referral. Okay, then only there is strong chance of getting reward. Next importantly, that is from the IBM. So they are also basically sending the reward to various candidates. So those who have applied successfully, I have already made a detailed video related to these things. So this is the latest update that those who are applying, they are getting the communication assessment. Okay, so must apply for this. You can see this is IBM CIC off campus drive. So I have provided update there, and those who apply have got the mail. So best of luck. So still the hiring is going on for the role of associate system engineer ASC. So if you haven't applied for it, must apply. The requirement is you should be having a knowledge of at least one language like C++, Java, Python or Node.js, and 2024-2025 batch are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. You should be having good communication skills, and other requirements are there which you can go through it. Next important opportunity, that is from the Amicon and Advisory Services LLP. They are hiring for the batch of BTech, BCA, MCA, and the training location will be Mohali, and you will be getting lots of important perks and benefits from this good company. Okay, so this is a good hiring. I suggest must apply for this. So the role is trainee software engineer, Amicon enrollment form. So first of all, they will provide you the training, and then you will be getting deployed to the project at various locations like Mohali, Noida, Pune and Bengaluru. So I suggest must apply for this, and they have wide collaboration with various companies, so you can apply for this. They are working with lots of company. Talking about the other thing, that there is a associate service agreement of 3 year, and that is the up to 5 lakh rupees means through service agreement hai. So if you are comfortable with this, then you can apply, because they are basically putting some effort to you. Now they are basically giving, they are paying for your training. That's why they are expecting to you be loyal to this company. So if you want, you can apply for this. CTC post training would be around 3.6 lakh per annum. So if you want, you can apply, and post 1 year this will be basically your CTC will be revised. Next important thing, that is from the Paytm and Carrier at Paytm Insurance Broking Private Limited. So they are hiring for the role of product management intern. So this is a kind of intern role. So students or recent graduates are eligible for apply. So I will suggest 2025 2026 must apply for that. 2024 can also apply for this wonderful opportunity. The requirement is you should have good communication skill and have a knowledge of Jira, Figma or Notions and other technology. Next important opportunity, that is from the GK and Aerospace. They are hiring for the role of trainee technology, and this is a kind of challenge. So if you are from BTech, computer science, data or AI, ML, other branches, then you can apply for this. The requirement is you should be having HTML, CSS, JavaScript and database and SQL knowledge. So if you have a knowledge in these, then you can apply for this. Last important opportunity, and this is a, you can say a kind of walk-in drive from the Tech Mahindra, and job location is Kolkata. So they are hiring for the role of customer support associate and acceleration desk. So if you want to work with this global MNC, good MNC, then you can apply for this. Salary you can expect till 1.92 LPA, but yeah, salary is too low. So if you are comfortable only, then you can walk in. The dates are 1st and 2nd May 2026, means today and tomorrow, 11 AM to 1:30 PM. You have to carry the CB and Aadhaar card, and you can also call them or you can mail them. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. Friends, we regularly post lots of important job updates on my YouTube channel. Recently TCS have released the results, so congratulations to all of them who have qualified the result. Now if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. Following in the description will provide you complete support and guidance which will help you to clear this interview. So best of luck those who have entered interview, and कोई भी query है feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn or Insta or Facebook. जहाँ भी query है you can ask. I will try to reply as soon as possible. मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.